Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages from the previous week. But really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. But I'm so excited to show you guys all these packages, do a bunch of swatching. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first package is actually from Glambot. And if you guys haven't heard of Glambot, they're a website that sells gently used makeup at discount prices. One thing I really like about it is that it's almost like a second chance at products that you really like. And what I mean by that is a lot of times they'll have limited edition or discontinued products. So let's say that you really wanted something like last holiday season, those items might be available on the website. So anyways, they sent me a couple items and they also are going to be offering you guys a discount. It will be 30% off for the first 72 hours. And then anytime after that, if you're a new user, you get 20% off. They also have it where you can sell your makeup. So if you guys have like gently used makeup that you want to sell, they actually have a program where they can purchase it from you. So here's what the packaging looks like. And as you can see, it has this cute little Glambot tape that the package is wrapped in. And let me go ahead and open it up. They do a lot of really cool sales too. I know that I'm signed up on their email address, but for Valentine's Day, they had this like a vault sale where they had so many items like really discounted. So I definitely recommend signing up for the emails. So this is the first item that I picked up, and this is a blush. Look how beautiful that packaging is. And I thought this was so pretty online. So as you can see, this pretty much looks brand new. Here's what it looks like right here. But I thought this little quad was really stunning, and it feels like it lifts up on the bottom too. So this is the shade 86 Toffee. And I'll swatch these shades. They're like very nude blushes. Oh, here it is. I'm over here trying to open up the bottom and I thought that I was gonna break it. It actually comes with a brush. And just so you guys can see how, I guess you would say unused this looks like it's actually in the original packaging and it doesn't even look like it's been used before. So I think that's really awesome. Two, you know, it is discounted like I said. And some of the products that you can get on there may be discontinued or they may be like limited edition items. One thing that I saw on there that I really wanted to get was the Jacqueline Hill and Becca blush and highlight palette. I use that all the time and I've hit pan on it. So here are these 4 shades right here. And then there they are swatched on the hand. So really pretty shades. They have skincare, brushes, makeup, foundations, all that kind of stuff. So it's like really overwhelming because there is so much that you can pick from. And then also you want to make sure when you see something that you get it fast, because there was one item I really wanted and I didn't check it out in time and it was like the only one in stock and it sold out. So next thing we have, and I'm so excited about this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury blusher brush. Here's what the packaging looks like. And again, I love how they like basically make it look brand new. This brush looks gorgeous. I think I own one Charlotte Tilbury brush and I absolutely love it. So when I saw this on the website, I was so excited to add it to my cart. Oh my gosh, I love this brush. Okay, so here's what it looks like. This again is the Charlotte Tilbury blusher brush. It is for your blush application. Oh my gosh, I really feel like I need to get more of her brushes because the quality of this feels so amazing. As you can see, it looks like it's never even been touched. So obviously I'm very excited about that. Okay, next item. I've always wanted to try this. This is the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. This one didn't actually have the packaging on it. And then as you can see, here's what it looks like. I believe this one said there was like 80% left in it, but I mean, still, there's so much in there. Oh, I'm excited to try this. I remember like a long time ago, I think it was Jacqueline Hill, had a video where she used one of these and I thought they were so pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't know what took me so long. Look at that pigmentation. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. This one again is in the shade 9. I'll have to definitely use some of these products in my next full face of first impressions. And then the very last item that I got, this is from Guerlain and this is the Terracotta Bronzer. And then it also has like a little bit of like a blush shade right here. This is in the shade 00 Claire Blondes. Honestly, you guys, this looks like it's never been touched. I mean, this looks brand new. There's no swatches, none of the products even used. And again, this was discounted. So let's swatch it. Now it's gonna look like it's been swatched. This might be a little bit too light for me. Okay, so there are those two shades right there. I feel like this might be a little bit too light for a bronzer shade, but it definitely would work as just like an overall setting powder. Okay, so there are those two items right there. Not sure if you can see them because the lights are so bright in here, but they're really pretty. And again, like I said, this one doesn't even look like it's been used. So if you guys haven't tried out Glambot, I'll leave a link down below, and don't forget to make sure that you sign up, use the code, that way you guys get a discount. Sign up for emails because again, they do like blasts where they have like clearance sections. They do like almost 80% off different products, and they always have a ton of specials going on, which I really love. And then also, us makeup junkies, I know we love to keep on getting makeup, but that site can also help you sell your makeup as well. So anyways, yeah, thank you so much to Glambot for that package. Okay, next package came from Persona Cosmetics. I've used one of their eyeshadow palettes in the past in like a first impressions video, and I did really like it. So let's see what they sent over. Ooh, it says Cali Glow Highlighters, and here's what the packaging looks like. Okay, so it says, hey babes, here's a sneak peek of our new highlighter collection, Cali Glow. We're excited to be launching 3 shades, Laguna, Zuma, and Del Mar. Each shade is $24, and they are launching on 2/16, which means they're already available. And they're also going to be available at Ulta in March. They sent over these 3 little cards with the names on them. Ooh, the packaging on this is super cute. So here is what the packaging looks like. It's going to have the name on it, and then at the bottom it says Persona Cosmetics. And I like the size of this as well. So they come in this blush type packaging, and it just has Persona. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. So this is Del Mar. I think this is probably going to be the darkest right there. Get my swatch hand ready. Okay, first off the bat, they do feel very creamy. Very, very pigmented. Oh my goodness. Wow. Holy pigment. That is absolutely gorgeous. This has me a little shook. And then the next one we have is Laguna. The packaging also is like very like luxury. It's very sturdy. So here's what Laguna looks like. It's a very pretty like almost white highlight shade. I feel like this one definitely looks a lot more sheer than the other one, but we shall swatch it and see. I feel like it's probably just a little bit more buildable, but still very, very pretty so far. And this one's definitely my favorite. Okay, very last one is called Zuma. Ooh, so Zuma's like right in the middle of like a between the two. I definitely feel like this one is going to pack a punch. Yes. Okay, this one is definitely my favorite. Look how gorgeous that is. So I'm very excited. These look very, very promising. Like I told you guys in my last video with like the tutorial, I am going to be doing first impressions a lot more often than I have been. So definitely stay tuned to see these in action because I'll definitely be trying them out. But so far, just from swatching them, they are stunning and I cannot wait to use them. So thank you so much to Persona Cosmetics for sending that over. Okay, next package I actually already opened. I'm so excited. This is actually a brush set from Peach and Pearl, and it's my friend Andrea Renee here on YouTube. I did a video with her in the past and kind of did a collab with her, but she came out with a brush set with them, and I'm so excited to try these out. So the brush set comes with 6 different brushes, and so they sent it wrapped up like this, and the brushes look absolutely stunning. They are a white with rose gold handle. So let's take these out. They obviously have them super duper protected. They have the plastic wrap on them, and then they also have the little brush protectors. Oh my gosh, this feels so soft. Okay, so right here on the handle it says Andrea Renee X Peach and Pearl, and this is the biggest brush in the collection. This is going to be a powder brush, but oh, it feels so soft, like a really soft. So there's that. Okay, the next brush we have is a foundation brush, and this is going to be a flat kabuki style brush right there. The next brush we have, you can really use it for one of 2 things. Normally with this kind of brush, I use it to go underneath my eyes to do powder. And then the other thing you can use it for is for your highlight. And there's obviously more uses than that, but that's normally what I use this kind of brush for. So far, a very good variety of brushes. And then the next thing we have is an angled brush, and you could either use this for contouring or you could use this for like putting on your blush. Very pretty. I think these are just so gorgeous. I love the white and rose gold mix, and I haven't tried anything from this brand before. And then the next thing we have is going to be an angled eyeliner brush. Hopefully you guys can see, but this liner brush is so thin and little, That is exactly what I like when I'm doing liner, because I really want it to be super small and detailed so I can go in and create a wing. So I absolutely love that. I feel like this might even be smaller than my Sigma one. So I'm really excited to put this to the test, because my Sigma one's normally like my go-to when I use a gel liner. So there's that. And then the very last brush is a pencil brush. And this one is really soft, which I like, because when I first started like really getting into makeup, the one big complaint I had about pencil brushes is a lot of times they were too stiff. And when you go up underneath your eyes, I felt like they were harsh. This one feels very, very soft, and it's also just the right size where you could use it for an inner corner highlight as well. So again, a big congrats to my friend Andrea Renee for her brush collection. I'll leave a link down below for you guys on that as well. And thank you so much to Peach and Pearl for sending me this package. I can't wait again to use these in a tutorial. The next package that we had, I had to show you guys because it's so freaking cute. This says Too Faced, the best sex you've had in bed, and it is like a little bed package. They sent me a whole year's supply of their Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But yeah, you guys know this is one of my favorite mascaras, and I'm so excited to be stocked up on it. So thank you so much to Too Faced for this package. This is seriously so freaking cute. Okay, so here's the next package, and I believe it actually came from First Aid Beauty. Oh my gosh! It says loving coverage that won't flake on you. First Aid Beauty's new Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer with this SPF 30. Ooh! So here's what the packaging looks like. This is going to be so perfect, especially since it has an SPF in the summertime. So it says available in 5 shades that blend seamlessly to offer medium buildable coverage. Protects skin with SPF, minimizes the appearance of redness, pores, and uneven skin. It is a whipped mousse-like tinted moisturizer. So let's see what shades they sent over. Oh my gosh, they sent all of the shades. Thank y'all so much. So here's what the packaging, let's see which one I'm probably going to be. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. And it says Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer, natural luminous finish, safe for sensitive skin, which I love, because you guys, I'm probably gonna see if my mom wants to use one of these. Her skin is so sensitive and so much breaks her out. And one thing that I found is with First Aid Beauty, I've let her try some of my products, and I've gotten her some of them too, and it works for her skin. And I'm talking about she's allergic to everything. For a long time, we couldn't even find a sunscreen that didn't break her out at all. So we finally found one a couple years ago. But yeah, so here's what the packaging looks like. And I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand so we can see. But this would be good to wear by itself, or even under like, ooh, this actually is like pretty, when you see the coverage, it actually looks like it's going to be pretty good coverage. Oh my gosh, especially for like a tinted moisturizer, this actually looks like it has pretty good coverage. Yes, First Aid Beauty. I'm gonna like kind of blend this into the skin just so we can kind of see. But yeah, you can definitely tell where it's at. Look how luminous and pretty it makes the skin look. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. Thank y'all so much. So pretty. So definitely check that out, especially if you do have sensitive skin. First Aid Beauty would be my definite go-to, because again, they are kind of like made for sensitive skin. And if my mom can wear their products, I'm pretty sure like anyone could wear their products, especially if you're sensitive. Okay, next package was my Jeffree Star Cosmetics package. Now I just want to show this in my mail haul video in case you missed my full review, but I did get the blood sugar palette. It's what I'm wearing today. I just have a glitter over top of it, but you guys, I'm so freaking obsessed with this palette. Again, I did a full review, so I'll leave it linked down below for you guys, but oh my gosh, just let me show you one swatch. This is probably my favorite shade, the shade Ouch. And the shades are so freaking pigmented. They're so blendable, so creamy. Again, I haven't been this excited about a palette in a long time, so I wanted to show it to you guys. I don't know. I just am like really enjoying this palette. I can't wait to see all the other like spring launches. I'm really excited about some new stuff coming up, and I just literally went to Sephora tonight. Expect a haul later this week. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys that. I know it's out of stock right now, but I think they're still doing like pre-orders where as soon as it comes back in stock, they're shipping them out to you. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below for that. And I think Beautylish is getting it soon too. Next package came from Urban Decay. So it says you're gonna look hot. And this is the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat. That sounds so funny. So here is the packaging. It's one of their little mini Naked palettes, but this is, I guess, inspired by the Naked Heat palette. So here's what the front looks like. And just for comparison, here's my actual Naked Heat palette. I'll open them both up so you can see them side by side. The Naked Heat Petite is an all like a matte palette right there. And then as you can see, here is the Naked Heat palette. So I haven't swatched this. I was actually gonna save this for you guys, and then I had opened it trying to show you on Instagram, and I literally took out like a big chunk of it with my finger. Sorry. But yeah, so let's go ahead and swatch this so you can see. I do love the color scheme of it, and especially because it would be really good for like traveling. So here are 4 shades right there. Ooh, that has a little bit of shimmer in it, but that is pretty. It would be gorgeous for a brow bone highlight. So here are 4 shades. I swatched those kind of sideways, but this looks really nice. And then let me swatch the other 2. Yeah, I'm really excited about that brow bone highlight shade. It looks really good. So here are the other 2. Again, super pigmented. So there those are right there. I think this would be a really good palette, especially if you're like a warm tone lover, because again, it's a smaller palette. It's good for travel. The shades look really pigmented, and you also have a really gorgeous brow bone highlight, which I'm so excited about. I kind of want to put that on right now. Why do I do this? Somebody also suggested in my videos that I should start doing like a trial mail haul Monday, which I might actually start doing. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do one and see how it goes. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, yes. Found my new brow bone highlight. Oh my gosh, that looks gorgeous. It's hard for me to find like brow bone highlights that I really like for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but it's really hard. I do really like that one though. I think it looks really pretty. So thank you so much to Urban Decay for that package. Okay, so next package is actually another one from Too Faced. They sent over 2 packages this week. So they sent over something saying like, are you still recovering from New Year? So they sent over the Hangover RX 3-in-1, and this is the setting spray. I love this stuff. And then also the Hangover RX Coconut Water Primer. So these are like 2 favorites of mine. I think they're so hydrating, and yeah, thank you so much to Too Faced for that package. We have another one from Urban Decay, and I actually showed this on Instagram, but I just wanted to show it to you guys because it was so cute. So it said Naked and Nude Urban Decay. And then basically they sent over 5 different Urban Decay Vice lipsticks, and they're all nude shades. And then they also sent over the Urban Decay Original Naked palette. I have this, so this one of course is going to go in a giveaway for you guys. But I just thought it was so super cute. It came on Valentine's Day, and yeah, I definitely had to make sure I showed it to you guys. So thank you so much to Urban Decay for that package. So cute, it looks like a box of chocolates. This very last item came in my P.O. box, and this is from Collab Cosmetics. It is a makeup company, I believe, that was started with like a bunch of different YouTubers. Okay, so I'm going to show this to you guys. I'm not going to swatch all this right now because I might actually do a first impressions on this. So here is the box they sent over. So you have a blush. They sent over a brush, liquid highlighter, a really pretty like warm tone palette. We have some eyeliners and lipsticks, and a bunch of different stuff. So if you guys want to see a review or demo on this collection, I'm pretty sure it's pretty affordable. Yeah, some of the prices are $9.99, $10.99, $14.99. They sent me like a little sheet, and they have over 200 makeup must-haves. So it's available in Sally Beauty and online at collabmakeup.com. So thank you so much to Collab for sending that over. And again, let me know down below, you guys, if you want to see this in action. So yeah, anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for Friday, because that's more than likely when my Sephora haul will be going up. But as always, I love you. So the first package that one thing I really like about it is they get, so anyways, I picked up, you can submit it on their web. They actually they have skincare, they have makeup, they have, so if you guys haven't tried out GlamGlow, they sent over these, and then here is how they, and this obviously is going to be like a oh shoot. Ness. Or you also can use it to, or you could use this for, the one big, so it says available in 5 shades that blend, well, okay. Oh, come on. Oh, next package. Okay, so it says you're going, and it was so, and they had it, oh, I can't even speak. And they sent over the Hangover, they have Day, which is February 10th. Thank you so much to each and every brand for sending me these items to try out. Thank you to you guys for being so supportive on these kind of videos. And again, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.